Hey guys, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude, and I'm back with another model review. It's been quite a while since we did one of these, but today we'll be taking a look at a very exciting figure, Schleich's Replicasaur lineups Desmatosuchus from 2003. I don't really collect Schleich actively, but whenever I get the chance, I will add a new piece to my collection, since I do have a fairly large-sized collection of the Replicasaur lineup. And plus these guys in the back. I'm not sure if these ones are Replicasaurs, but they came out throughout 2002 to 2003. And I think one's from 2001, but I didn't find any in my collection from this specific time, so I brought these guys out. So Jolina actually purchased this guy for me after hearing me talk about it in a group chat. And it's one of the most beautiful and obscure figures from the lineup, since Desmatosuchus only has one other appearance in a figure lineup, I think. Prehistoric Panorama, I believe, is the second Desmatosuchus figure to exist. But, oh, and of course, I think Safari has one in the tubes. But, again, it's a very obscure crocodilian, I think. I know it's herbivorous, and it's got these large spikes on the side of its body for protection. It lived during the Jurassic, I believe. And, no, it is cute. It's adorable. It's a small figure, though. And you can get it on eBay for, it's a reasonable price. If you're a collector, it's a reasonable price. If not, it's like, But I'm loving the paint job on the eyes, and it's so cute to come with this little human for scale. So we're gonna open it up. I like that it came in this little bag too. Oh, there's already a little rip right there. And the rip did not work. Little cut. Free this guy from his plastic. There we go. Wow. I'll eat the bag. Comes with this little booklet. Replicasaurus. Desmatosuchus. Oh, look, there's the para. Oh, I have that guy. The, some sort of, it's also from the Jurassic, I think. So we got a little informational thing in here on the size, and we have it in different languages. Okay, that's cute. Is there anything else? Nope, it's just the same thing. Oh, and there's a little information one in the middle too. That is so cute. I love that. So it comes with the little taggy, and it comes with this dude. And I think Collecta also has a dude like this for scale. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave this on his head or not, because I do love photography. So I think if we gently slip this off, you will be able to preserve it, maybe? Maybe not? Yeah, I'll get around to it later, maybe. Come on. Nah, the head's too fat. Whatever. I'll find a way to get it off without damaging anything later. So yeah, no, I love this black highlighting around the eye. The darker color really gives it more of a finished look. And you can see on the other side too, they've got that, a darker color around the eye. They've got some dark around the chin as well, and then this lighter underbelly. And you can see on the bottom there, Germany, 2003, Schleich, Desmatosuchus, or Desmatosuchus, yeah, Desmato. And let's take a look at the back armor, because apparently that's really well done. Wow, it kind of reminds me of, like, Arthropluro's armor. That's really nice. So it's got these spikes, these uniform spikes running along, getting smaller, closer to the tail. And then they continued the, I guess they're osteoderms, would that be? Underneath the skin. These little round armor plates going all the way down, continuing, getting smaller. And then you can see they did a nice job with the paint along the ridge there on the back, and then also highlighting where the spines connect to the body as well. And then they're all tipped with like a lighter color, which is really nice. Same with the shoulder spikes there. I love how the animal is low to the ground. Kind of gives it a little pudgy appearance. You can see they didn't really shrink wrap it. They've got its belly all filled up there. It's got a nice mass, nice flesh to it, especially the neck. Nice and wide. Little pudgy legs. And then a little bit of paint detail there. And I like the kind of wrinkled, kind of like elephant skin pattern on the tail here. That's a really nice detail. And then more along the shoulder here as well. It's interesting that they didn't give it like a scaly armor, but rather more of something you'd see on a large dinosaur. You can see there's a dark patch under the leg there, then on the side, and then around the neck. And the head has a little bit of brush paint on there as well. That is super cute. Oh, look at it sitting like a little lizard. Oh, that is adorable. Man, this is such a nice figure. I mean, it's tiny, look at that. It's my hand. Really small, but really cute. I can see like putting this in a future office somewhere. Just, it's like it's looking up at you with that cute little eye. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, so adorable. I love it. I'm like, I wasn't expecting her to get it for me. Is it so cute? No, this is he's a little gem. He or she, for sure. I'm excited to try out some photography with this figure too. I'm sure it'll look super adorable on some moss or something. Oh man. So yes, I give this figure 10 out of 10. It's a rare figure. It's hard to get your hands on for a good price. It's beautifully done. I love the paint, love the green colors on it. And definitely worth adding to your collection if you're a Schleich enjoyer like I am. I'm really happy to finally have it in my possession. And I'm glad it came with this little dude. This little dude's so cute too. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys also collect Schleich or if you have some of their figures in your collection. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to check out my other videos. I'm pretty sure I've done some other reviews on Schleich stuff. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.